Hi neighbors. If we haven't met, I'm Jenny with Balanced Bodies Westside. You've probably seen my posts on this page. I like to post about my boot camps and personal training and things like that. I wanted to introduce myself because I've lived here for 2 years and I've met a lot of you, but definitely not all of you. I also wanted to express my gratitude to everyone in this community who has shown me love and support. The Northwest Community Association, Michelle especially, you guys have supported me since day one. I left my sales career of 12 years to start a business 6 months after I moved here, and then I wasn't sure how it would turn out in this tiny community, but I'm grateful to say that it's growing, and a lot of that is from the support that I've received in this community. I've got lots of clients, I won't name names, but people in the area who have become online clients, even though we live so close. Of course, my personal training clients and my bootcamp supporters. Last night, there were 11 of you, so thank you so much. I'm so excited about that. Everyone signed up for all 5 classes. I do have a maximum space of 16 with the way that I teach my boot camps, so if anyone else would like to sign up for that, there's 5 more spaces available. I am accepting drop-ins next Wednesday and for the following weeks, but I do have that maximum of 16. So if you're thinking about coming, shoot me a message, and that way you're not risking potentially not having a spot there. Next week's class, I want to talk about that as well. Next week's class is going to be super exciting for me. It's a workshop immediately following boot camp. It's $15. It starts at 7:15 p.m. next week and next Wednesday. And we're going to be making vision boards. I'll be bringing some Bristol board, some magazines, markers, glue, tape, things like that. If you happen to have any magazines lying around your house and you want to contribute to a super amazing event, then please and thank you drop off your magazines to the hall when you know someone's going to be there, like the seniors events or Moms and Muffins or anything like that. I would really appreciate it. I also wanted to just talk about vision boards for a little bit. Being in the industry that I'm in, yeah, there's a lot about nutrition and there's a lot about your body and working and exercising and whatnot, but there's also a lot to be said about what happens in between your ears, because that can really help deter you from your goals or steer you towards your goals. So this vision board making class is super important to me. If I show up there by myself, that's cool. I already paid for the hall for boot camp, so I would be more than happy to stay there and do my vision board in this awesome environment with these good vibes from these awesome ladies who just killed their workout, and gentlemen, they're definitely gentlemen, so don't be afraid to come if you're a dude. All ages and abilities too. Thank you guys so much. I mean, everybody is like, I'm in my mid-30s, from way younger than me to my age to way older than me, different ability levels. Everyone's working on their form. You know, if you haven't done this in a long time, yeah, it's going to be a little rocky in the beginning, but as the weeks progress, you improve, and then 5 weeks from now, we're going to be doing a different workout. Again, everything full body and strength training because it's so important. So I'm just really grateful for all of you who have come, and I really hope that some of you will consider coming to that vision board making class next week. I am going to rent the hall again for 5 weeks coming up. If you are another entrepreneur in the community and you have a product or a service that you would like to share with the community, please get in touch with me. Maybe we can collaborate on some of these workshops that I plan to do every time that I rent the hall. So if it's nice outside, I'll be doing my boot camp outside and potentially still my workshops in the hall, but when it's not so nice outside, I'll be doing my boot camp in the workshops. I'm not going anywhere, just planting my roots, guys. Nice to meet you if we haven't met yet.